Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2 1 2. Think I might have to turn me up in the headphones a little bit. Mic check 1 2 1 2, man. Nah, for real, man. Not for real, man. I hope y'all enjoying y'all weekend. Hope you're ready to have a fantastic week. I know I'm ready to have a fantastic week as usual. Let me make sure everything is all locked in. Money Watch number 101 live, man. This is crazy to be all the way at 101, man. That's super crazy. So hopefully everything is going good on the technical side. Hopefully you guys can hear me good. Hopefully the screens and everything are good. So like I said before, I hope your weekend was good. I'm looking forward to having a great week this week. I will not take up too much of your time. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you can get the updates. And whenever I go live, I always say I'm going to go live more, but in case I ever do, you want to get those updates to see the latest moves, definitely make sure you're subscribed. So with that being said, let's start off like we always do. Take a look at the raw portfolio. As you can see, it's right around all-time highs. Everything is going absolutely according to plan. So if you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest the right way, make sure to send them over to the channel and we are going to go ahead and help them out. Let's check out the economics calendar for the week. This week is shortened, of course, because we have Thanksgiving this week. The market is closed for Thanksgiving. It is open on Friday or Black Friday for approximately half of the day. So keep that in mind. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, regular days. Thursday, Thanksgiving, and Friday, close on Thanksgiving, and then Friday, shortened trading day. As far as Monday, November 24th, session tomorrow, there are no special events scheduled as far as economics reports. Tuesday, November 25th, U.S. retail sales. This is the delayed report. Government shutdown delayed a lot of reports. So we'll see how that goes. U.S. retail sales minus autos, producer price index. These are the delayed reports. Core PPI, PPI year over year, consumer confidence, pending home sales. Wednesday, initial jobless claims, durable goods, and of course, all delayed. Thanksgiving holiday is scheduled on Thursday, November 27th. And we have Chicago Business Barometer PMI on Friday, November 28th. Economic reports originally scheduled for this week that are not listed here have been postponed due to the government shutdown from October 1st to November 12th. So definitely keep that in mind. As far as the almanac goes for this week, the trading session, the 24th, the 25th, and 26th are historically bullish, with the S&P being bullish on Monday the 24th over about 62% of the time, 62% of the time on Tuesday, and around 67% of the time on the 26th. So obviously Thanksgiving, the market is closing in. Last trading day of November, S&P has been down 16 of the last 26 trading sessions. All right, let's get into the setups for this week. Not going to take too much time. Levi has been strong, super strong. Had an outside quarter after hitting some highs. We started, or outside month, excuse me. We started 2 down on this month. Looked like we got a little corrective activity on the week, started to push back up after this gap down. So we came down just above monthly broadening formations, got some corrective activity we can see on the day there. So it had a strong session. Last session finished right at about the open of previous days session. So we'll see how this goes. Definitely strong so far, and we'll see if this continues to go. Monthly broad information is just over about $22. So we actually got a 5-minute entry on this one here. So we got this nice 5-minute hammer. We want to see if it can push up, break outside of this consolidation range and get to going back into that bullish price activity. You can see we're 2 up on a quarter, just got some pullback, and so we want to see if we can continue to push back up the other way. So again, that's a 225-minute on Levi. Let me make sure I get these graphics on the chart. Oops. Let's do this. All right, so yeah, 5-minute above $20.77. No corporate data on any of the stocks for the watch list this week. Ford Bronco inside month right now, already 2 up on a quarter. Got the 2 down week, some corrective activity here. So we're trying to see if we can get the push back up here. There was some insider buying over there. We'll see if that has any effect on pushing the stock up. So on Bronco, we actually got a 30-minute entry just to make it look really clean. It was a doji candle. It finished today on the 30-minute, right? So had a nice day and finished nice and clean there. So we're looking for the 30-minute entry above $12.85, and we want to see if we can get this thing to push up. First thing we're looking at, if it wants to go, it's right around $15, so quite a ways to go there. Last one, we're going to go with KDP, man. It's college football season. Dr. Pepper, Fansville, you know, they became a major player in the game. A lot of people like Dr. Pepper for sure. So we'll see how this goes. Anyway, this one had been beaten down recently. It's, you know, strong. It's been holding up at these levels, but I noticed it came down and broke below some levels, hit these broadening formations here. So currently inside month here, we started 2 down on a quarter. We hit the 3-2 week, got some corrective activity off of that outside and that price discovery. So eventually we may get this 2 up on a month. If it were to go 2 up on a month, that'd be pretty crazy. Broad information in play over $30 if that goes right, as a starting point, about $30. So hopefully this helped you guys out. I'm looking forward to having a great week. I hope you guys are as well. As always, if you need anything, you guys know how to get at me. If you guys have questions, make sure to put those down in the comments below. With that being said, let's have an absolutely wonderful week. It's your man Boss Gang VIP with the weekly money watch. I'm out, man. Peace.